Have you ever noticed that the highest paid remote jobs are often the most boring? To be honest, you probably haven't, as most people only talk about the flashy ways to make money online. However, they often ignore the ones that aren't considered cool. But the problem with cool remote jobs is that the competition is sky high, whereas the ones that aren't as popular are almost always hiring because people don't even know they exist. People made millions in the radio control model industry as well as investing in the stock market. Many people would consider that pretty boring. So they're living proof that boring and sometimes even nerdy jobs pay extremely well. That's why today I'm going to be revealing my top 3 boring but high-paying remote jobs. Why boring jobs pay more. Here's the truth. Nobody tells you. Boring jobs pay more because they're not cool. They don't go viral on TikTok, and most people are too lazy to learn them. Less competition equals higher pay. Simple economics. All right, let's start. Job number 1, short-form content strategist remote. This might sound creative, but trust me, this job is way more analytical than exciting. A short-form strategist doesn't film videos, doesn't edit, doesn't even show their face. Their only job is this: watch long videos, identify viral moments, tell editors what to cut, where to cut, and why. If you've ever scrolled TikTok for hours, noticed which videos hook you instantly, or thought this part should have gone viral, you already have the raw skill. How much does it pay? In the US, beginners, $45,000 to $55,000 per year. Experienced strategists, $100,000 plus. Freelancers can charge per video or per client. Why it's beginner friendly: you don't need a degree, editing skills, or fancy equipment. You only need to understand hooks, retention, story pacing. That's why this job scores 9 out of 10 for beginners. Is AI a threat? Not really. AI can edit, but it can't understand human attention the way humans do. Strategy is still human-led. That's why this job is high-paying, remote, and very future-proof. Job number 2, customer service coordinator, not basic support. Now listen carefully. This is not a normal customer support job. A customer service coordinator sits above AI chatbots. Their role: manage automated systems. Step in only when things get complicated, handle emotional or high-value customers. Basically, you're the human backup when AI fails. And trust me, AI fails a lot. Salary range: USA. Average: $60,000 to $75,000 per year. Some roles go up to $100,000 plus with experience. Why companies love this role? Instead of hiring 10 support agents, they hire one coordinator plus AI bots that saves them massive money, which means they're willing to pay you more. Growth potential. Every business needs customer service, but not every business wants a full team. That's why this role has 10 out of 10 growth potential. Remote freedom. Once systems are set, you can work from home or anywhere with internet, just be available when needed. This job is boring, but extremely stable. Job number 3, remote tech operations specialist. This one is secretly powerful. If you've ever helped someone set up Zoom, organize Google Drive, or automate boring tasks, you're already halfway there. A remote tech ops specialist helps small businesses set up tools, fix broken workflows, save time using simple software. You're not coding, you're simplifying. Pay expectations. Average $60,000 to $85,000 per year. Freelancers can charge $3,000 to $10,000 per setup. No degree required. You don't need to be a developer. You just need logic, patience, and basic software knowledge. Most tools are no code. Why demand is exploding? Small businesses are forced to go digital, forced to automate, forced to adapt, and they don't know how. That's where you come in. AI risk, AI tools still need setup, customization, human explanation. So AI won't replace you, it'll make you more valuable. Here's the lesson. If you chase excitement, you'll chase competition. If you choose boring, you'll find money. You don't need passion, you need leverage, stability, and demand. Comment below which job surprised you the most. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.